Hello, I'm Bill Lou. I'm with Century 21 Scott Myers Realtors. I'm going to show you 13540 Waxman Spark here in the west side of San Antonio. It's in Great Medina Valley ISD. And it is a great school district here. All right? I'm going to share with you the inside. There are 2,084 square feet. There are 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Okay? And I'm going to share with you the interior. There's a 1-car garage. And we will go inside. As you can see, going inside, immediately to your left, you have the single vanity bathroom and the toilet. And as you go over here, you can see the garage. The garage over here. All right. Nice 1-car garage. And we're going to go over here. You'll notice the open floor plan. This is a combined dining and family room. Okay? Over here you have the kitchen. And this refrigerator is included in the price of the house. It's $288,500. Over here is the master bedroom. Okay? In the master bedroom, you'll notice that there is this walk-in closet. A huge walk-in closet. Okay? Over here, you'll notice the master bathroom. Single vanity, toilet, and you have the shower. Going to the backyard now. You have a nice deck, cement flooring. This huge backyard, perfect for soccer. If you have a yard, you want to play some sports, maybe install a playscape. We're going to go back inside. We're going to go upstairs now, and upstairs you'll notice that there are additional attributes. So nice, child-friendly covered staircase on either side. You'll notice some installed shelves by the previous owner. And you have this huge, expansive game room here. Perfect for entertaining. Over here, you have the second bedroom and the closet. Over here, you have the other bathroom, the second full bathroom. Okay? And over here, you have the third bedroom with the closet. And over here, you'll notice you have a washer and dryer. The washer and dryer are included. Okay? And the last bedroom. Large bedroom, expansive closet. All right? So I'm Bill Lou. This house is being shown by Bill Lou for Gail, Dane, and if you want to find out more about this house, contact me. My number is 512-809-7777, and my email address is wliu4521@gmail.com. Have a nice day. Bye.